Visual, a close-up shot of a perfectly seared scallop, glistening under a delicate sauce. Steam rises gently. What if I told you the greatest chef in the world isn't a person at all? Forget everything you thought you knew about gourmet dining. The future of food is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Visual, a montage of high-tech, futuristic kitchens. Robotic arms move with precision, lasers slice vegetables, and digital interfaces display complex recipes. Imagine a kitchen that knows your exact nutritional needs, your flavor preferences, and even your mood. A chef that can perfectly replicate a Michelin-star dish or invent a completely new one just for you in minutes. This isn't science fiction, it's the next culinary revolution. Take a look at this. This is an AI culinary platform. You can input any ingredients you have on hand, say, chicken breast, some leftover broccoli, and a lemon. The AI analyzes millions of recipes, cooking techniques, and flavor pairings in a fraction of a second. It then generates a unique, gourmet recipe, complete with step-by-step instructions tailored to your specific kitchen appliances. Visual, split screen. On one side, a human chef struggles to follow a complex recipe. On the other, a robotic arm perfectly executes the same dish with flawless precision, but it goes beyond just recipes. Companies are developing fully autonomous kitchens. These robotic chefs can handle everything from chopping and sautéing to plating with artistic flair. They're not just fast, they're incredibly consistent. Every single dish is perfect, every single time. This technology could eliminate food waste by calculating exact ingredient quantities and even help people with dietary restrictions enjoy delicious, safe, and exciting meals. Think about the possibilities. Busy parents getting a healthy, home-cooked meal on the table in minutes. Aspiring home cooks learning complex techniques from an AI tutor. Restaurants offering vast, ever-changing menus with unparalleled quality control. This isn't about replacing the human touch. It's about enhancing it, making incredible food more accessible to everyone. Visual, a family sits around a table, laughing and enjoying a beautiful meal. A young person with allergies happily eats a custom-made dessert. We're witnessing the birth of a new era in food. An era where creativity is amplified by data, and where a perfect meal is no longer a luxury, but a daily possibility. From personalized nutrition plans that adapt in real time to robotic arms that can flambe a steak with more precision than a seasoned pro, AI is setting a new standard for what's possible in the kitchen. The question is no longer what's for dinner, but what amazing creation will my AI chef invent for me today? This technology is evolving at an incredible pace, and it promises a future that is not only more efficient, but also far more delicious. What do you think? Are you ready to let an AI cook your next meal? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you're hungry for more content about the future of food and tech, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more cooking. See you in the next one.